Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have another unboxing. This is here the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in the lovely pistachio colorway, and this is the 256 gigabyte model. So this phone is listed at $1899, but after taxes you'll for sure be paying over $2,000. So with that said, let's get into it. If you're wondering about this pistachio colorway, this is an online exclusive. Two little pull tabs. And here it is, everybody. It's a beautiful phone. So this has a new aspect ratio. When open, it makes a 4:3, and when closed, the outer display is a 10:16. So this is very comparable to a Passport in size. So here it is. First peel. There you go. A little harder than I thought. So fresh out the box, crease seems pretty much invisible now. Here's the first fold. Oh wow, that's satisfying. Here you go, one more pull tab. This is pretty much the same size as your normal standard Passport. As you can see, it's just around the same in width. I mean, with the Passport being a little wider. Okay, let's power it up. There we go. Oh, that's a satisfying opening. And this is a really nice color. It's really similar to the mint color that Samsung at times offers. When I saw it online, I thought it'd be more of a darker green, more like an olive green, but that's not the case. So after setting up, this is what you're met with. This phone does not have a on-screen fingerprint sensor. Instead, they moved it to the power button. Now the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Has the screen look unfolded? There you go. As you can see, the crease is pretty much invisible. Like even running your finger through it, you can hardly notice it's there. So Samsung has really come a long way in its folding department. This screen is, I can see now why a lot of people, gravitated towards the smaller Fold as opposed to the Fold Ultra. This hinge is pretty satisfying. If you're waiting for the iPhone Ultra that's supposed to release later this year, it would be this same exact form factor, since Samsung does provide the displays for them. For $2,000, I wish the presentation was better. All you get in the box is the device, a cable, but no power brick. And honestly, I think that's absurd for that price. And Samsung's not the only ones who do that. Apple does it, Motorola. Sony doesn't even give you a cable, so shame on them. But you do get a physical SIM ejection tool, which is nice. If you're not into the whole eSIMs, you can actually just pop your SIM in there and be on your way. So I'll be using this device for the next few weeks. I can get you guys an honest review on it. As of right now, this is a very beautiful phone and I do enjoy it, but I do want to see how it feels with real life day-to-day activities. So stay tuned for my review on this device. Thank you for watching, and that is all. Till next time.